Hi! Today we're going to be opening my very first Sacred Iseum box. I'm really excited to share this new subscription with you guys. I've never seen it, so we're going to discover this together. This is a 3-tier categories, so you can get the Sacred Apprentice, which is the first tier, and the Sacred Chest, which is what I got, which is the mid one, and then the Sacred Sabbath, which is the most expensive box. I didn't feel like I needed the Sacred Sabbath box, so here we're going to try out the Sacred Chest. I ordered this is the package it comes in, by the way. I ordered this October 3rd, and so it's kind of been a while, but the cutoff for their subscriptions for the next month is the very last day of the previous month, so I had literally missed the cutoff for October by 3 days, which is kind of a bummer, but that's pretty cool. There's these little dilly bobs on it. Nice. Alright guys, I'm so excited. Let's discover this together. Ooh. Some yarn. Pay to the order of me. Sorry guys, that's my name. Infinite prosperity. Let yourself have it. Universal law. Cool. Let's aim this a little bit better so we can see everything so pretty. Oh my goodness. Whatever I desire, I can acquire. So this is my card. I love these. I always collect these. There we go. The eternal laws of the universe steadily hold the promise of expansion and joy. Understanding the laws will reawaken within you the knowledge of your purpose and your own personal power as you remember how to access the power of the universe that creates worlds. If this time-space reality has within it the ability to inspire a desire within you, it is absolute that this time-space reality has the ability to yield you a full and satisfying manifestation of that same desire. It is law. So that's pretty cool. It's a blank parchment. A sigil. Ooh, pardon me. Sigil. Check it out. This looks to be the information on the contents. We'll look at that in a second. And this looks to be information on one of the contents and a spell. So we'll put these here. It smells really nice. Oh, look how pretty, guys. That's a nice touch. I love it. Oh, lovely. So it's got like a satin cloth and this beautiful thing here, like a ribbon with a leaf. Love it. Some of the poppy stuff for my baby. Ooh. This is pretty neat. I have no idea what this is, but it's pretty neat. I'm going to look it up. I see a grain in there. And then this is kind of coarse. It's a little baggy. Let's see what's up with that. A prosperity candle. We've got some moss like item. What box would be complete without some Palo Santo? This is their card. I'm going to, of course, leave the information for you guys in the description. So I like to kind of contain these dilly bops. These are a little bit different than the other dilly bops I get. This is more of a fabric moss type thing, which is pretty cool because I'm going to reuse it. I save them all, guys. I do. Okay. Oh, wow. Pretty. This is the abundance oil, and I am so glad they double bagged it because, as you can see, it kind of leaked in here. But I'm totally cool with that. Looks like there's a bay leaf floating around in there. And some other, maybe fennel. Maybe a clove. I don't know. We'll see. Some gems. But I'm super grateful that they packaged it so well. So everything didn't come soaked. Ooh, nice. prosperity bath. I love the baths. They're my favorite part. And it's got like a thing here. It's handcrafted soap created with the intent of attracting prosperity. Really nice. Epsom salt, sea salt, rosemary, chamomile, lavender, rose, abundance oil, elecampane root, and hibiscus. Then it gives you some instructions in the back about it. Let me scoot all this up so you can get a really good view of everything. Hope you can see everything. Ooh. So this, oops, this looks like black salt, and this looks like some kind of magnet. It's definitely a magnet. Look. Ooh. It's kind of like those arts with the dude that you make a beard on them. Let's read more about that here shortly. Alright. I'm just making sure I covered all of this. This is a scroll we'll look at here momentarily, but this appears to be my large item. Cute. Really, really cool. It's like a little tiny altar. Oops. So I like this. This is just mossy bed. And let's look at this scroll really quick. Abundance Protection Charm Bag. Charm bags have been in magical use for thousands of years. Charm bags, also known as gree-gree and mojo bags, are the most used style of amulet or talisman in the world today. So that's pretty cool. And it goes on, it goes into quite some detail. So that's pretty neat. Wrap with this, and let's just go over everything. Merry Meet. This is the November box. Abundance oil. Lord have mercy, that's my pup. Abundance oil. Palos. So that's this. Abundance oil. Let's see what it has in it. Let me see. You can use it daily in your bath, shampoo, body wash. Simply rub the cork on yourself to wear as a scent. It doesn't really say the ingredients, but I could be missing it. Anyway, Palo Santo stick, of course this. Abundance Protection Charm Bag, that's pretty cool. It was handcrafted alongside the abundance oil and activated under the Taurus full moon in October. Although this is a protection charm bag, it is not your usual form of protection. This bag is designed to protect your abundance and prosperity. Envy and other negative energies are a balanced energy in this world, so we cannot escape them, but we can protect against them. This bag will ensure that you are focusing on attracting and manifesting what you are bringing into your life, and what you already have is protected against negative will and harm. We created a fact sheet for this item for your Book of Shadows, referenced it for more info. Not only is it beautiful, but it's also a strong amulet. That is pretty freaking cool. So I'm going to use that. Triple Moon Altar Table. That's this lovely item here. Lovely. Prosperity Candle. Lodestones. That's what it is. We chose to bring lodestones into this month's box. You will find a green pouch inside our 2 bags. One has gold lodestones. The other has lodestone food. This is magic in its simplest form. Remove the bag from the pouch, dump your lodestones into the pouch, hold in dominant hand. Visualize gold energy filling the stones when thinking of something you want to attract to yourself. Tell the stones what you want. Now give it a pinch of the food. Keep this pouch on you or near you. Every few days repeat it and give it some more food. That's really interesting. Abundance Wash. And that's this here. We have handcrafted this blend of herbs, salt, and oils to aid in attracting abundance. And then the blank parchment paper is for your works. So that's really cool. I like the abundance theme. I'm digging it. I like the presentation. I like the container in the box. I kind of like that these are a little bit more reusable than paper. So that's pretty cool. Everything, I can honestly say I've never gotten anything like this. I like everything. It's really unique. It's really well put together. There's a solid theme, solid color scheme. Everything suits each other and complements each other. I really like this. So let me tell you a little more about this. This is Sacred Iseum. They have 3 categories like I mentioned before. The Sacred Apprentice, 25 bucks. The Sacred Chest, which is 50. This is the Sacred Chest. And then the Sacred Sabbat, which is 75. It's a monthly subscription. If you order by the end of the month, so let's say you order by November 30th, you will get the December box. So that's why when I ordered on October 3rd, I didn't get a box until November. They ship on the 8th of every month. I don't know what the shipping cost would be to your house, but I'm going to leave a link and you can totally check it out. As a matter of fact, I highly recommend you check it out. If you're wanting to build up your supplies, if you're wanting some interesting home decor, if you just want some items that will inspire you, that you've never seen before, that you just want to learn about, then this is looking like a pretty cool box. I'm definitely looking forward to seeing what the next month holds. For this box, I really like it. What I would like to tell you guys is, if you like what you're seeing, please like, comment, subscribe. I also would love to hear if you've gotten this box, if you want to try this box, if you have any suggestion for boxes you want me to try. I do watch a lot of people's channels and I find ideas of things to try all the time. So let me know if I inspired you. I'd love to hear your feedback. As always, if you like what you see here, please come back. I'll see you next time. Thanks.